Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. So for whatever reason why you want to change your name on Facebook, firstly what you have to do is for you to go over to the menu, which is your profile, where your profile picture is showing at the down corner here. Let me go over to the menu and go over to settings, scroll down and go over to setting and privacy, and go over to setting, and go over to account center over here. And over here you can see your profile, which is your account center. Let me go over to profile, and here you can choose whichever name you wish to change here on your Facebook, whatever name you need to change. You can see 3 names showing here. So let me go over to the first one. So what you have to do, just have to go over to the name, and you can change the name, and you can also add middle name and last name. If you want to change it, you can change it. And here it is written, if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days, which is like 2 months. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. And over here they say other names are always public and help people find you on Facebook. So this is how you'll be able to change your name on Facebook. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope this is very helpful to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.